All right, guys, 2023 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. Look at that stance. You know he means business. Look at this thing. Look at the wide tires in the back for the grip. That's sexy. That's a cool stance right there. You see it? Party. Anyways, here we go. Factory converter. And then he had a H-pipe installed instead of the resonator. So it's the H-pipe setup. And then it's got 2 Dynomax race bullets we just installed. One here, one here. Part number 24250, there'll be a link in the description. And then we added extensions on each side and put new tips on it. So on these Mustangs, you gotta put new tips because the old tips are built into the mufflers and you can't do it without putting new tips on it. So there you go. I like it. No excuses. Never. Just get it done. One way or another, always get it done. Here we go, guys. So we're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe. Check out the license plate, guys. Try me. I don't know what he's trying to say, man. He definitely means business. Look at that. That's how they should come with that white stance like that. In the back to the front, the staggered look. That's the animal now. Dynomax bullet sound. That's clean. Clear sound decibels again. Right at 118. I like it. This sounds mean. Good old Music City, USA. We make our own. We make an exhaust music every day. All right. What a beast. Beast mode. Love it. Enjoy, guys. Look at this sexy Mustang we just finished. Rev it for us, Juan. It's a nice Mustang. Really nicely done. 1966 Mustang with long tube headers and Flowmaster 40 system with an H-pipe. His hanger was broke. We just fixed it for him. Hooked him up. Classic Mustang sound. 66. Ford Mustang.